Hey guys, my name is Josh from the channel SharpshooterJD, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be making a simple twisted necklace for a client out of this 3/8 inch mild steel square stock. I'll be using this homemade twisting wrench to twist the necklace, and I will be using a MAP Pro Gas torch as my heat source. Hope you guys enjoy. Strained it up on the wood block a little bit. Realized I hadn't quite twisted it enough. There we go. Twist is done. And that's the hardest part. Now I'm just going to cut off the end, round it over all nice, drill a hole here, cut off the excess, and that'll be our necklace. I'll come back and do the final cut after I drill the hole. That way I don't screw up and cut it too short. That's initial sanding done. Now I'll center punch my hole and drill it out. Alright, center punch is in place. Now I'm going to drill it out. Alright, time to countersink this hole a little bit. Last step is the oil bath. I'll just let it sit and cool down for a bit. Once the piece was cool enough to touch, I took it out of the oil and dried it off with a clean rag. After that, I made a simple cord for it out of some 550 paracord using the double fisherman's knot as the connection. This is a really great connection that allows the cord to be adjustable. Really cool, I've been using it for a long time. And here you see the finished product. Turned out really good. I'm quite pleased with it, and I think my client will be as well. Want a hand-forged piece for yourself? Then head over to my Etsy shop to see my current inventory or to request a custom order at www.etsy.com/shop/Josh's Blacksmith Shop, or click the upper right hand corner of your screen for a direct link. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a like or a comment down below. And if this is your first time here, make sure you check out my channel. I'll have a link somewhere on the screen now for you guys to click on. I have over 100 awesome videos on various topics, mainly focusing on metalworking and primitive homemade weapons. And I'm very positive you guys are going to find something you like. And if you do, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you never miss an upload. And with all that said, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.